Hello guys and welcome back to Super High Graphics. So today I want to show us how to make a simple flyer of, let's say, a talent hunt show or something like that. So first thing, delete what you have on your screen. Okay, now let's make use of a background. So I'll just come into my background and select the background from my phone folder. So I'll just come to download. Okay, here is the background. Here is the background that I want to use. So I'll just make use of this directly. You can see the size. Yeah, so I'll just leave this way. Now the next thing to do is to come here, and then come into import, and I have okay, here is like a torn paper that I want to make use of for the design. So I'll just crop out one side of the torn paper like this and just okay that. So here is the torn paper. What I will just do is to rotate this, increase the size, just increase the size as much as you can. So I'll keep on increasing the size until I get the size that I want. So it should be something like this. So you can see this, it's becoming too big. So here is what I will just do is to spread it further a little, something like this. Okay, so here is what I really want, something like this. You can see this. Okay, good. Now with this being done, I can just come to layer and lock it so as to avoid shaking. Then I'll come and import some kind of a lightning, like a moon lightning. Okay, here it is. With this being imported, I'll just bring this here, duplicate it, and bring this one here, something like this. So what I'll just do is to come to layer and then this torn paper, I'll click on this, then bring it to the front, so as the lightning and everything will go to the back like that. So you can just reset it as much as you want like this. You can see how I'm setting it. Okay, great. Now the next thing is to click out, create a shape, and this shape now I want to create a transparent shadow effect. So I'll just come here, okay, and just click on this lighter part. Click on this lighter part, color pick, then drag this to the end like this, complete transparent, and here I have it. But this one I want to make it a really black color, so I'll just come to black like this. Okay, then okay that. Now with this being done, okay, good, I have it. The next thing, I'll just spread it over the page and just bring it. Now the next thing I will do now is just to send that to the back. Like while it is still selected, just send it to the back. Now it's at the back. Okay, good. What I'm still doing now is setting the background of the design that I want to make. Now the next thing is, I want something to since it's a talent hunt show, I want something that will reflect like an audience cheering somebody that is singing. So I'll just go and bring in like the audience. So I'll just click out. Before I do that, let me come to layer and lock some of these things so as I can, to avoid movement, and come and import like an audience. Okay, I have something that I downloaded here. Okay, you can see this is more like an audience. So I'll just okay that and bring it in. I can increase the size, then bring it somewhere here. You can see this. Okay, great. Now come to layer. I don't want to take this to the back totally, so I'll just bring it to the back of this torn paper. So it's still in front of the light and back of the torn paper. Okay, good. The next thing is, now since it's more of a talent hunt show, I want it to reflect somebody that is singing with an open mic or something like that. So I have this as well. Okay, here is the original image, but I had to remove the background, but this is not it, so I'll just delete this one, then go to my folder, that's my PNG folder, and so here is it. I've removed the background. Okay that, and just increase the size as much as I feel will fit, something like this, and then just come to layer again and bring it back to the back of the audience. You can see this is good. Now the next thing is I'll click out, just click out, then come to sticker, then click on sticker, get some kind of lightning. So I want to get some kind of lightning under this. So let me make use of let's say let me make use of this. Okay, let's bring this one here, something like this. Okay, just okay that and click out so as you can select it. Then I'll come to color and just change the color to, let's say, maybe color black or something. Okay, just make it a black color. You can increase the size so it should be as if there is a reflecting coming out of here. Now with that being done, I'll just duplicate it, bring it somewhere here, and make that one. I want it to reflect what I have on my page. So here is a red color. The lady is putting on a red color, so I'll just make use of red color, something like this. So to be like a lightning coming out. But before I do that, let me bring this one here a little. So this one will come above it like this, so you can see it like a lightning coming out of the angle. Okay, good. With that being done, now I'll add some lightning again. So click out, come to sticker. So I want to separate the audience and the singer. I need some kind of lightning to reflect that. So I can just use any lightning that I feel will be good. So I'll just click on this, click out and click on it, bring it in, increase the size. You can see this, increase the size of this as much as I can. Now come to layer and drag this one down to back of the audience. You can see that now. You can see how it's separating the audience and the singer. This is really good. Now the next thing, I'll just click out of layer. Now come back to click out again, sticker. I want something to make the mic shining, to catch attention, to make it feel like somebody is singing, like some kind of bright lights, celebrity stuffs like that. So I'll just come here and select anything that I feel like can do that. Okay, should I make use of this? Okay, this is fine. I can just do something like this. You can see this. So you can reduce the size a little, yeah, just to reflect the shiny mood, something like this. Wait, now with this being done, I can just, yeah, so that is me setting the background. You can see how I made a brick wall into a fancy stage light and all of that. Now the next thing that I will do is to start imputing the message, the content that I want to read, the message that I want to pass across. But before that, let me click on layer and lock all these items to avoid some kind of movement, so as it won't be shaky when I'm arranging my text. So with that being done, okay, that then you click out. So let's start imputing the text. Okay, let's say the date, let's say 18th. Next Saturday will be 18th of, I think 18th, let me say September. Okay, let's say 18th Sunday, let me use Sunday. Then you click out and say, okay, September. Okay, then let's say add it down, I can just say free entry or something. But with this being done, let me just okay this, make it a capital letter, good, and just bring this one, reduce the size, then you come to font. You have to make it bold, so I'll just come to font and select some kind of bold text. So I'll make use of something bold. I want something in block format. So let me see if I can get some. Okay, this is fine. This one is okay for me. So you just okay this and bring it somewhere here. So you just bring it somewhere here, right above. Okay, great. Now with this being done, I'll just duplicate it. I'll just duplicate that and edit it. So I'll just wipe it out and say something like, let's say free entry or free entry or free audition, whatever you feel it is right. Free entry or free ticket, whichever one. Okay that and just make it a capital letter. Okay, but this one now, what I would do is I'll change the color to color white. I'll make it a white color. White see highlighted. I'll then come to background and enable the background, and now make the background a black color. You can see this. Great. So I'll just come here and bring it to this side. Ensure it is properly aligned. If you feel like it is too big, you can come to size and reduce the size to fit your design. So you can just take your time, increase the size to fit something like this. You can see this. Okay, great. So I'll just click out. Now the next thing that I want to do in this design is just to input another text. I said it's a talent hunt show, so I'll just come here and write talent. Okay, now make it a capital letter. Now I'll have to bring this down, then get a font for it, but this font now has to be something bold also, so as it can just be the first thing you see is talent hunt show, because that is the message. So you just get to see talent hunt. I'm using slim lines. Okay that. So I'll increase the size. I'll just increase the size of that, something like this. So I'll come to color and change the color. This lady is putting on red, so I'll just make it a red color. So a red color like this, and then just duplicate that. I'll duplicate it and then bring it, reduce the size. So I'll just edit it. I'll have to delete this. So click on it, edit it, and wipe it out to type in hunt. It's a talent hunt show. So okay that. Then you make it a capital letter also. So with that being said, you can make it. This is big. So I'll reduce the size. Reduce the size of this also. So I'll align it under here. You can see this. Okay, great. With this being done, now the next thing that I want to do is to click on this, just duplicate it, edit it, and let's say I want to input the time. Let's say since we are having a talent hunt show, I'll make it a 3 p.m. 3 p.m. something like this. So that's the time. Make it a capital letter. Okay that. Now bring it down so you can increase the size, something like this. So the timing is also important, so don't make it too big or too small. So you can just make it something like this. Ensure your alignment is in flow with those that are above already. If you're aligning, okay, great. With this being done, the next thing I'll just come in and input another text. Let's say the venue now. So I'll say, okay, Yaradua International Conference Center, Abuja. So I'll just input this like this. Okay that, and then reduce the size, bring it down like this. Okay, so I'll just come to size. Let me check the size. You can reduce the size as much as you want. Feel like it is still, this is big. Let me reduce the size of this to create more room for, okay, so bring this down and bring this one back. So I'll reduce the size now until it fits into where I want it to be. So you can see this. Bring this out. So I'm using 17. Bring this out like this. Okay, great. Now the next thing is to okay that, then you come to style and make it bold. You can see that. So this is like the venue. 3 p.m. at Yaradua Center. Like that. Okay. Now you can just duplicate this and duplicate it and input whatever story or whatever information, additional information you have for them. So in this case, I can just say something like, okay, for, let's say for live stream and coverage of this event from your home. Tune in into super high graphics YouTube or something like that. So depending on whatever stream you have, YouTube channel for more of these blah blah blah. So you can, for this, let me make it so just like that, you can add whatever story or information, additional information you have, and then place it. For this one now, remember the importance of hierarchy, so you can just bring this one down below this to carry the, let me reduce the size, let me make it 12. Oh, okay. So you just take your time to arrange it properly. Okay, that. But you can see, I would like to make this particular one, let me make it like a red color or something, or just something like that. Or you can even leave it at black. So I'll just come to color, make it a proper black, because when you type in your text, originally is not black, it's something of gray color, not totally black. So I'll just make everything a total black like this, so as it can be obvious. You can see it, Yaradua International Conference Center, for live stream and all of that. But for this design to be really beautiful, let me add something. So I'll just come to layer, one of these things that I've added before. I'll just click on this and duplicate it. You can see that. Okay, so I'll just reduce the size of this and bring this one here, something like this, moonlight. Reduce it, bring it to the center like this. You can see this. Okay, great. And just position it somewhere here now. So the message is very clear now. It's like you're trying to bring some rising stars to lamplight, talent hunt. You can see that with somebody singing, with crowd cheering. So that is the concept of bringing this flyer to reality. So thank you for watching. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly do well to hit the like and subscribe button. God bless you. Thank you for watching.